Hi, myself Bharat Garg. My father Ashok Kumar Garg was admitted for knee replacement surgery in EHCC hospital in Jaipur. Dr Aditya Soral, who was our doctor and who did the surgery, was fantastic. He took utmost care for him so that surgery went well, and post surgery also he visited twice a day so that my father was comfortable. Apart from that, the staff was very helpful, courteous, and took very good care of my father, whether it was nursing staff or the resident doctors, and especially Dr. Aditya Soral once again. The entire EHCC team was fantastic and took good care of my father.
My name is Ashok Kumar Garg. I am staying in a society called Manglamananda. One of my friends, Bhagwan Das Agarwal, was operated by Dr. Aditya Soral. He has given his reference. Okay, Mr. Garg, you go there, and he is a very good doctor in a ESCC. So I contacted him, and when I contacted first, he is a very nice behavior, short behavior, very good behavior. He said, "Don't worry, uncle." He used to say, "Uncle, don't worry, uncle. I will take care of you." I said, "My son is not here, my daughter is not here. But don't worry, I am here." So, because of his assurance, I was able to here, and he had done a fantastic job. Keep it up, Dr. Soral. Thank you.